This Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy SUI cryptocurrency on the Kraken mobile application. So once Kraken's opened up, go to the bottom, press on the Explore icon, then at the top, go to the search bar and type in SUI or SUI. Once you're here at the top, it says SUI, press on that. Once you're on the SUI crypto page, just go down to where it says buy SUI and press on that, the purple button. Then once you're typing the amount you're looking to buy, so for example, if you wanted to purchase $20 as an example, you can type in that amount. Once you have the amount, go to the right hand side and press on the purple arrow. Then once you're here, you can review the transaction, so you can see the amount, the price, the fee, and the total. And if all looks good, you want to proceed, press that I understand I won't be able to withdraw this purchase for 72 hours. Go to the bottom, press confirm, and then proceed that way with the transaction. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy SUI cryptocurrency on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.